we're going to be making candles, and we've chosen our scent, which is citrus and green tea.
So this is with chocolate coffee beans and coffee cookies like that. And then the other one is strawberries and blueberries.
Sounds cute.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. BAKEBE here in Hong Kong kindly invited me to make candles and cakes, so of course I said yes and invited my friend. First we made candles. I've never done anything like this before, but their step-by-step guidelines made it so easy and fun to make. Depending on which decoration you choose, the instructions are different, so you have to make sure you select the candle you want to make. You can check out their website for all the pricings, and honestly, I would recommend coming here on a date, a birthday, or even alone, just to do some DIY, which is worth your time.
Slowly melting. So I've just added all of it now. So I'm just waiting for it to melt. Two different candles. I'm making one with fruits on top, so it looks like a birthday cake. Her one looks more like a chocolate cake. But yeah, I'm excited to see the end result. Okay, finished. Right, so I've just finished everything. Hopefully it goes well. I have to come back in 1 hour to pick up the candles. So that is what I've done so far. And yeah, fingers crossed it looks as pretty as what they showed us. Okay, bye bye! Cookie Monsters cupcakes. We need milk, go to the fridge, egg, and dark chocolate.
So whilst the candles were drying, we decided to make these monster cookie cupcakes. I know they are so cute. I can't eat it unfortunately because of my intolerances, but anyway, the instructions were again so easy to follow, and yeah, teamwork always makes the dream work. At this point, the smell was amazing. I was super excited making this, but honestly, some people there were like zombies. I don't even know how they were not having as much fun as we did. Just like the candle making, if you're a beginner at making cakes, you have nothing to worry about. That's how easy it was for us. I made sure all the measurements were precise, which is probably why it turned out so well. Now I just need to wait
for this to be done. It says wait 21 minutes.
Wow, that looks so good.
Oh yes!
Already wanted.
Yeah, this is already perfect.
Well, it seems like it's so easy to bake here.
Yeah. The instructions are really like good, easy to read.
Add oil. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, good. Yay! Yeah, it's okay.
Wow, it looks so vintage on my phone.
Vintage.
Yeah.
I want to put it.
Okay. You do the eyes then. That's so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. Yeah. Oh my god, that's such a big mouth. Oh, it's so perfect. Oh. So cute. It's like he's eating himself.
Your turn.
Okay.
Look, you need to clean it, otherwise we'll have the blue
clean
stuff
the
on.
glue?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I just made it 10 times worse.
It's okay. We do it other one.
Okay. Let's just say he's crying. This one's a disaster.
Yeah, happy mouth.
I'm sorry, I'm using my hand.
So cute.
This one's like a real monster. Oh my god, perfect! Can I just pull it out like with my hand?
Don't be scared. Ooh, so nice.
Wow.
So easy to get it off.
Yeah, actually looks like strawberries. I guess I can. The candle is pretty much done, so just need to decorate it. And we've got some blueberries that are already been done. Guys, this is so cute.
Here's Manly enjoying her cupcake. She said it was so good. I think it took around 1.5 hours to make the cupcakes, and the candle took around 1 hour, not including the drying time. Anyway, if you like this type of video, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you again, BAKEBE, for inviting me.